Cristina Vasquez is live to continue our team coverage tonight. Cristina.
Good evening to you both, and such a great question. It's certainly a challenge. We do have some tips for you, but we start with Miami Mayor's announcement this morning of a new tool to help mitigate against the transmission in multi-generational households, and that is hundreds of additional isolation hotel rooms.
30.9%, the largest category of people that are reporting they're getting sick at home, and 33.7% are reporting that they're getting sick from a family member.
Miami Mayor Francis Suarez says that survey data has documented rising rates of COVID-19 household transmission and believes one tool that could help multi-generational households is securing isolation hotel rooms.
I just confirmed with Director Moskowitz last night that they are renting a hotel for 350 rooms in the city of Miami.
Right now, he says intake is through the hospital system, but Mayor Suarez would like to reform the criteria system.
One is if you're symptomatic and you get tested. The other one, you could if that creates too much of a demand, you could say you're symptomatic, you get tested, and there's a vulnerable person living in the home.
According to Pew Research Center, Florida is one of the states with the largest share of multi-generational households in the United States.
A place like Miami-Dade, you have a lot of the young people have gotten it, but it has spread to some of the older population, and I think part of that is family gatherings, friends, things like that in multi-generational household.
Donna Butts, executive director of Generations United, says social distancing in a home is difficult but needed to stop household spread.
Remember who the members of your family are and who's at highest risk. So it may be that when you're in a common room and you're going to be close together, you do wear masks.
Our community's household spread identified by state contact tracers, says Suarez, which both illustrates why they are critical and why he asked the governor for hundreds more.
Getting data that we can message based on the information. So that's why I think it's critical.
And here's some additional advice from Generations United on how to tamp down transmission in the home. She says to isolate a household member that may be showing symptoms, especially important if you either haven't gotten a test or you did get a test but are still awaiting results, to one room in the house. She also said to designate one person in the household to be the one that goes out and does the family household shopping, things like groceries. That limits exposure back into the household. And of course, ample hand washing and countertop wiping. Now, with this morning's announcement from Miami's mayor, that puts the total number of isolation hotel rooms in our community to 450. And as you just heard, in development are the protocols. So that's to be determined on how to secure one of those rooms. So stay tuned. Reporting live for you, I'm Cristina Vasquez, Local 10 News.